Imagine this. You're sitting alone, contemplating the direction your life has taken. The struggles, the setbacks, the dreams that seem out of reach. You find yourself questioning if there's a hidden path, a secret code that could unlock the life of your dreams. Believe it or not, there are messages and signals being sent to you by the supreme power in every step of your manifestation journey. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the mysteries of manifestation, exploring the profound role belief and experience play in understanding truth. Today, we embark on a journey that uncovers the divine power that connects us with our desires. A power so immense, it transcends the boundaries of human comprehension. In the words of the great mystics, God's creative power is measured by the distance between God and man. So, how do we bridge this gap? How do we harness the immense creative potential within us and externalize our thoughts and desires into physical form? Join us as we unravel the enigma of manifestation, exploring the deep connection between imagination and faith. We'll unveil the hidden forces that shape our reality, and we'll provide you with the tools to weave your dreams into the fabric of existence. But first, let us share with you a captivating tale where one woman's vivid imagination leads to the fulfillment of her wildest dreams. Watch as her story unfolds, filled with synchronicities, signs from the universe, and a deep belief that anything is possible. Will she rise above the constraints of the ordinary? Can she access the realm where desires are born? Prepare yourself for a mind-bending revelation that will leave you questioning the very fabric of reality. But we can't embark on this journey alone. We invite you, our valued viewers, to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, unlocking a treasure trove of transformative content. All right, let's begin. Do you believe in Jesus Christ and the power of his teachings to bring salvation? What if we told you that understanding the intertwined nature of belief and knowing is the key to unlocking the power of imagination to realize him? To realize him? Belief and knowing are intertwined. Each individual receives information differently. Some hear it on a surface level, while others feel it deeply within their being. The power of God is revealed to us through our imaginative abilities. By believing in something before there is external confirmation of it, we experience it as though it has taken place externally. To understand the world around us, we must embrace our religion completely by going straight to its source, our own human imagination and our connection with God. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher who taught about how we can experience what we desire through the use of visualization techniques. By imagining ourselves as having already accomplished something, even before there is proof or evidence, we can manifest our desires faster. When we believe with all our being, it has already occurred on an energetic level, even if it hasn't yet physically manifested. Discovering the true Jesus Christ is a spiritual journey of exploration and growth. Through our human imagination, we have the power to unlock our understanding of Jesus and realize his presence in our lives. This section discusses how we can use our imaginations to better understand the Lord, leading to spiritual fulfillment. The core theme is that we must search within ourselves to truly find Jesus Christ. It suggests that we need faith in our hearts rather than relying solely on icons to experience salvation and recognize God's presence. By embracing our imagination, we acknowledge and recognize God in action within ourselves. When we proclaim, "I am that God," we affirm our belief in a greater power within each individual. In Exodus 3:6, the biblical account depicts Moses standing before a burning bush where God reveals his name as "I am." This revelation is a profound realization of God's divine presence and creative power. Moses is initially frightened and filled with awe by this encounter with the divine. The symbolism of the burning bush signifies divine holiness, and it serves as a powerful representation of God's presence and communication. Similarly, in the story of Eddie, there is a mirroring of this experience. When Eddie encounters a symbol of divine creative power, perhaps in a personal spiritual journey or transformative experience, he too hears the revelation of God's name as I am. Just like Moses, Eddie also feels a profound sense of fear and awe in the face of this divine encounter. The parallel suggests that both Moses and Eddie were chosen vessels through which divine revelation and guidance manifested. They were confronted with symbols of divine power and heard the sacred name of God, serving as a transformative and awe-inspiring experience for both. This comparison highlights the universal nature of spiritual experiences and encounters with divine power. It emphasizes that throughout history, individuals from various backgrounds can have similar encounters with the divine and experience the transformative power of divine presence. The mirroring of Moses and Eddie's stories highlights the awe-inspiring and humbling nature of encountering the divine and the transformative impact it can have on one's life. Friends, have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience a journey of faith? One such story is that of a woman who found her way into the neighborhood of an old friend after 7 long years. As a parting gift, she was given an all-expenses, paid ticket to northeastern Egypt with stops at various facilities along the way. This ticket could only accommodate one person, not her entire family. This was especially difficult for her, as she had spent months abroad the year prior and already had plans to go to New York City for the World's Fair this year. Rather than give up on this extraordinary opportunity, she put her faith in Jesus Christ and trusted that He would provide for her family while she embarked on this journey. Through this narrative, we can see how every dream can come true if individuals put their faith in Jesus Christ. He is God in action, expressed through imagination and the power of wisdom according to Scripture. We must acknowledge Him as the living God, regardless of material symbols that have no significance from His perspective. Kings being just like citizens when they pass away from His point of view. And there you have it, my dear viewers. We've journeyed together, exploring the profound truth that lies within our own imagination, uncovering the incredible power it holds to realize Jesus Christ within us. Remember, when we say God in action is imagining, and God in action is Christ, we are reminded that the divine presence is not limited to external symbols or physical representations. Kneeling before icons or relying solely on rituals won't bring us closer to the true essence of Jesus Christ. The real Jesus Christ resides within each and every one of us, waiting to be realized through our own wonderful human imagination. It is through this inner connection, this bridge we create, that we truly come to understand the presence of the divine. So let's harness the extraordinary power of our imagination. Let's dare to dream, to visualize, and to manifest our deepest desires. Our imagination is a precious gift bestowed upon us to fulfill our destinies and connect with the divine. If you found value in this video and resonated with its message, it would mean the world to us if you could show your support. Hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. We'll continue to explore these transformative concepts together. We'd love to hear your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. Share your experiences, questions, and the miracles that unfold in your own manifestation journey. As you embark on your manifestation journey, may God's blessings guide you in realizing your deepest desires. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep imagining, and keep tapping into the limitless power within you.